Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to level up fast in Apex Legends. All right, this is not a full tutorial, but rather a quick brief on how to level up fast in the game. All right, so first up, you'll have to play with your friends as it will give you bonus XP. All right, whenever possible, team up with a full squad to get the most experience. Now, stick with your squad. The longer your squad survives, the more XP you earn. All right, you'll have to make sure that you stay longer. Now, also reviving and respawning allies will give you XP. So you'll have to protect your squad at all costs and you'll be rewarded for that. All right. If you're feeling confident, kill strategically, all right, by targeting the champion squad. And basically winning matches or having a top 5 finish will earn you more XP. Again, as long as you stay at the top 5, you'll gain more XP. That's basically it. That's how you level up fast in the game. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.